Hey guys, we got a really nice top here today. It's a Leer 100XQ. It's top of the line Leer top. Fits the 2017 to 2022 Ford F250, 350 Super Duties. This is in great shape. This came right off the customer's truck. Doesn't have much damage to it at all. Paint looks good. The top edge all the way through here. This one does have the tracks on the top for like Thule racks or Yakima racks. Already has the tracks in there for that. Paint looks good through here. Bottom edge is in good shape. We took this right off the truck, so it wasn't set on the ground. So there's no paint chips on the bottom edge. No, that's just dirt that comes off. Okay, so whoops. Does have the XQ full window, tip out vented window, sliding window in the front. Paint looks good all the way through here. Top edge looks good here. Does have a wear mark right here. It looks like it probably hit the third brake light. Paint looks good all the way through here. Not seeing any damage on the paint at all on the front edge. So it is a sliding window, so the window slides open like this. So you can access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. Closes back up, seals up like so. The side looks good. Corners look good. No damage there. The top edge through here look good. Some dirt. More dirt. Paint looks good through there. No damage on the paint at all. Bottom edge looks good. It's about as close as you can get to new on this one. The only damage to it is behind the brake light where you're not going to see it anyway. XQ window on this side. Does have the frameless locking rear door. Paint looks good through here. No damage on the paint. Inside, screens look good. No holes in the screens. It's got a full screen which covers the whole window, because on the XQ the whole window opens up for ventilation. There's the crank for the window there to open that up. It is carpeted on the inside. Front window is a slider window. It does have a removable slider, so that flips the lever down like this. And on this side, that allows this window to open up, so that you can wash the front of this window, the back of the truck cap window up here, and then you can close this back up. Latch that back up. That allows you to clean that area in between those two. Screens on this side look good. No holes on the screens. No holes on the screen either. Serial number, it's 100XQ 69FS17. So it's a 6.9 bed Ford Super Duty, 17 to 22. UM, I believe it's, yeah, UM black is the color code on that. Fuse box, it does have a dome light, 20-inch LED dome light in here. It does also have, oops, if I can get out of here. It does have keyless entry, so it is not wired for that. You'd have to get that wired. I mean, it's wired for it, but you'd have to get that wired to your truck. So it does have keyless entry if you got that wired up. It does have a gas prop switch to turn the dome light on as soon as the door is opened up. Like I said, it is carpeted on the inside. And these windows here, like I said, they crank out ventilation. So you turn that crank like so. This window opens up like that and allows for ventilation on the for the top. Then you can crank the window shut like so. Seals it back up again. So there it is. It's a Leer 100XQ. It's a 2017 to 2022 Ford Super Duty trucks, the F250, 350, and actually the 450. Black in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, see how much it is, purchase it there, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, things like that, those can all be purchased from us online. Just go to the website there, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and get you taken care of. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain style, certain model, certain color, what have you, this is we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you'll want to subscribe to YouTube, hit the subscribe button to keep up to date on inventory as that comes in. As with all our truck apps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.